Welcome to my vlog. So guys, dito tayo ngayon sa Central. Ayan guys, sa Central Pier. There you go. Oy. Ay, ang ganda guys. Look at it. So, nag-iba na. Dami ng pagbabago. Yan, ang ating view for tonight. Okay? See you then! Guys, oh. Wow, kitang-kita ang ating Ferris wheel. Yan. Dito sa May Central. Ayun na si Kate. Where nature, culture, and joy come together. Yes, guys, we are here in the Born for Bigger Horizons. Yan, galing. Uy, kitang-kita. So, there you go. Alright. Okay. Born to soar beyond the sky. Ayan guys. So, ganito ang mangyari niyan. After 2 years. 1 year. They open on 2027 yan guys. Build together the future. Elevated city waiting the city for generations to come. Yan. Forced by the harbor. Inspired by the sky. Yan. This is the Central Yard. There you go. Ganito yan guys. Pag 2027. Central Yard. Wow, ito na guys ang a new Central is born. Yan. Pushing new boundaries. From there, Central Yards going upstairs. Yang going to Ferry Harbor, Central Pier, and Hong Kong Observation Wheel, and Central Harbor Front. Start Ferry. Yan, way na yan. Andun ang aking beshi. Ayan, position. Step into bright and vibrant district of the future. Okay, there you go. And this is your beshi also. So we're going to Tamar. So eto ang aking outfit guys. Oh. Yes guys, we're going to the Central Harbor. This is 1 and 2 International Front. Yes, Finance Center. Nice. Okay. Now, madaanan na namin to. Dati, ito dinadaanan lang namin under construction. But now, it's already finished.
Finished.
So, ganda. Look at it. This is opens on 2027. So, this is the new Central is born. Okay.
Oh.
Right. Central Yards. Okay, picture nga ako yung sa may accounts kanina. Yan. Ay, yung may video. Yan. Ay, isa pa. Ay, isa. So, wow, kitang-kita ang ating Ferris wheel. Yan. Dito sa May Central. Ayun na si Kate. Where nature, culture, and joy come together. Yes, guys, we are here in the Born for Bigger Horizons. Yan, galing. Uy, kitang-kita. So, there you go. Alright. Okay. Born to soar beyond the sky. Ayan guys. So, ganito ang mangyari niyan. After 2 years. 1 year. They open on 2027 yan guys. build together the future. Elevated city, waiting the city for generations to come. Yan, forced by the harbor, inspired by the sky. Yan. Guys, dito tayo ngayon sa Central. Ayan guys, sa Central Pier. There you go. Oy. Ay, ang ganda guys. Look at it. So, nag-iba na. Dami ng pagbabago. Yan, ang ating view for tonight. Okay? See you then. Guys, ang Central Pier. Ayan. That is it. Wow, ang galing. Galing. Ang daming pagbabago. It's a quite long time that I'm not came here since last year. Yeah. Yan si Kate. Nagutom ka, Beshi? Wow.
May ana, Beshi.
Okay, sige. Okay, guys, eto daw kakainin namin pag nagutom kami. Mag-run. Oh, see? Siguro bestseller to kasi yan, oh. Oo. So, oo. Dito kami sa may Star. Yeah, Star ang pangalan ng canteen or restaurant dito. So, yan guys. Yummy. So, ayun na si Kate. So, ito ang kanilang loob.
When I see my trainers, because they like in the same gym as giving the personal lessons with our clients, it looks scary.
Yan o, yung ship na yan, be. Tanong tayo dito, okay. Ayan, mga magagandang dilag, oh. Ayan, posing, taking photos. Oh my God! Okay. Wow! Okay, guys, doon ang boat natin, guys. Doon na si Kate Dera.
280 daw.
Ha?
280.
280?
Including drinks mahal.
280? Including drinks?
And then 45
Alright.
minutes. 45 drinks.
Ilang minutes?
45 lang.
Team Sa Choy.
45
Tapos
minutes.
doon na tayo dadak sa Chachoy.
I live here.
Doon na lang tayo.
All the guests will come up in the Team Sa Choy.
Ayan na sila, oh. Start na.
Person 280 is free.
How many person in 280?
So one person,
Yes.
it's like this, 280. 3 person, 840.
Ah,
Yes,
okay.
45 minutes. You know then give me discount. Yes, you already have the discount. If you want to just
Yeah,
cross
three.
the house,
We are three. Then you pay. You pay for the person. You pay for.
very nice.
Yan, AIA Vitality. And this is Hong Kong Central at night. We are here now in Tamar. Let's do jogging, guys. Yan, jogging tayo. Yes, guys. So, ayan, dito na tayo sa may harbor. Ayan. Doon na si Kate. Yan guys, behind me. Yan, IFC. International Finance Center. Look, yung mga ship. Okay, yan guys. Hinihingal ako katatagbo. Sa atin. Yan, naka-belt bag ako. Kasi andito yung ano ko, tissue ko. And then some money and water inside. Yes. Yan guys. Oh. Doon yung mga tao sa taas din, oh. Oh. Yan sa atin. I-walking ko lang muna. Kasi pagod na ako. Oh, kita mo yung aso din, oh. Tumatakbo din kasama ni Kuya. Oh, diba? Not only the amo tumatakbo, pati ang alaga. So nice. Tango yung mga tao sa taas. Oh. Yan. Diyan sila nagyo-yoga. Yan, nagyo-yoga sila doon. Oh, lakas tumakbo ni Kuya. Lakad-lakad lang muna ako. Kasi pagod na.